Hey guys, welcome back to Ready Set Viral, and today we're going to be taking a look at some really cool, spooky Halloween DIYs. But before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos in the future. This first one is so amazing. At the end of it, you'll have some Minnie Mummies. Firstly, you should get some jars, scissors, bandages, some craft eyeballs, and some glue. Take out the bandage and wrap it all around the jar. Secure the end of the bandage so it doesn't just fall out. All of your hard work would be gone. Then you can glue the eyeballs on the jar, and if you want, you can put a candle in it, but you don't have to. And just like that, you have some amazing Halloween jars that look super cool, just like mummies. Have you ever wished to have scary long nails? This is the right DIY for you. It'll kind of look like spider legs at the end of it. Firstly, take a piece of paper and roll it into a tight cone. Use electrical tape or any colored tape that is black and wrap it around the roll you made. Then, bend it a little bit and tape around the bend. Then put your fingers into it, and that is it. Pretty simple, right? And look how scary. This next DIY is so simple. All you have to do to make a Halloween pumpkin is to get a dryer vent hose and some hot glue. Glue the two endings together. It'll look like a pumpkin. All you have to do is paint it orange and put a little stick in the top of it. And voila! This is an idea for some scary planters. All you have to do is get a doll and remove the head. Cut off the top of the head, paint it white, and glue it to a plate. And voila! You can put dirt and any plants that you want into it. It's perfect for some subtle, spooky Halloween decor. This idea is one that is going to be for a Halloween costume or just for some scary Halloween makeup. You first need some facial glue and napkins. Tear the white napkins into pieces and crumble them up. Apply the glue to your skin, around your mouth, and above one of your eyebrows. Glue them to your face and paint them black and red. Then take some black eyeshadow, blend it around your eyes, make your skin lighter with some foundation, add some fake white nails to look like teeth onto the paper napkins you glued, and voila! You have a crazy Halloween look. This next hack is to make your door look like a mummy for all of your guests to enter through. You're gonna need some party streamers, some paper plates, some tape, and a Sharpie. Measure your door and cut the party streamers to be that length, and then tape them on each side of your door. Do them in diagonals, do them straight. All you have to do is make it look as mummified as possible. Then draw some black circles on two paper plates that you have to make it look like some mummy eyes. Use some tape and tape them to the top of the door, and just like that, it looks like your door is a mummy. If you don't have the peek hole, make sure to leave a little bit of space so it looks like a mummy mouth. But that's all we have for you guys today. Enjoy these spooky DIYs. Hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed it, and watch the two videos that are on your screen. Until we see you guys next time, have a great rest of your day.